It's Jillian. Today I'm going to be doing a kind of like different video, but I've actually done this before. My last video that I did this was called My Summer Playlist Plus Makeup Tutorial. What's going to be doing today, it's going to be like my February monthly playlist with me doing a makeup tutorial. The makeup that I'm going to be doing today is an all nude kind of look. And sorry if I'm like talking really fast and like kind of rushing. It's because I have to like literally go somewhere and like now basically, but I'd like really have to film a video and I really want to film a video. So yeah, okay. So if you want to know where all these songs are from, they're on my Spotify. I'll link it down below like I always do. And yeah, basically this is just gonna be me doing my makeup while listening to music and just like jamming out, because usually when I do my makeup, I always like jam out to songs. So this is basically just like a get ready with me. Anyways, let's just get straight into the video. The first thing that I'm going to be using on my face is, where is it? I'm using the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer to prime my face, and this is really moisturizing, and because it's winter time, my face has been literally so dry, so I really need to moisturize it. And let's go to the first song.
Yo. Ain't no need to stopping, girl.
For my foundation today, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty foundation. I recently got this and I tried it 2 times, and every time I put it on, it just gives me like such dry patches. So I really like moisturize my face today, and I hope it doesn't like happen today. And usually I do use a brush with it, but I decided to use a beauty blender. I'm gonna finish it off with the It Cosmetics Just Cream Butter CC Plus cream, because I just feel like this cream literally makes everything better. For concealer just under my eyes, I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, which I also recently got, and I'm in Fair Beige. I think I got it just really lighter than I should have. Oh, and for the Fenty Beauty, I have the shade 160, which is literally like the perfect match. I'm not even kidding, it's perfect. Put the concealer on just under my eyes, and I use the tiniest amount because oh my god, that concealer is thick. I'm now gonna get the Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just gonna set my under eyes. And I don't bake, like that's just too much work. Oh, but I can't just let you go. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little, so why don't you just meet me in the middle, baby? Setting powder, I also set my chin and my forehead because I'm really oily, like I'm naturally oily, so I did that. And then now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc Free Mineral Face Powder, Translucent, all that stuff. Yeah, really long name. I really like this stuff. It literally like gets rid of the oil, like it absorbs your oil, and it's really cool. I don't know, but yeah, I'm just gonna put that on with the Real Techniques powder brush. Oh baby, why don't you just meet me in the middle? I'm losing my mind just a little. So now my favorite part, bronzing. I always use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is in the dark bronzer. I definitely recommend the like bronzer because I have the light one too, and it like barely shows up. Like you have to put so much on your face. So much easier when you just have like dark powder. But yeah, I'm just gonna put that on just with this fluffy brush that is a Sephora, I don't know. Favorite bronzer ever. I'm probably gonna should I contour? Yeah, I should. For my contour, I'm gonna use the Makeup Revolution contour palette. Mine's totally broken, but I love this palette so much, and it's drugstore, which is amazing.
He forgets the punchline, it still gets me every time. 'Cause I love every little thing about her love. And just a little ain't enough. I gotta get her, need a little more of what she does. I'm all on her, 'cause I love every little thing about her love. Morning, wild like Saturday night. She dresses up for everything, but she only dressed down for me. And I love every little thing about her love.
Okay, y'all, my camera's legit dying. I really need to buy a backup charger, but I'm going to now go in with the e.l.f. Mellow Mauve blush. Guys, this is cutting down to the wire. I'm scared. This is so good. This is an amazing song.
Start a record label, Misfits just did it.
So now I'm going to put on my like lashes. I don't have any fake lashes, but I'm just like putting on mascara basically. I'm using the Tarte Man Eater mascara. I love this mascara. I really need more mascara because it's like the only mascara I have. But yeah, I'm just gonna cut my lashes and put them on.
I am just an icon living. I am just an icon.
I ain't not a Mayan, I'm a menace.
I just like did my mascara and a bit of my eyebrows because I wanted to charge my camera as much as I could. So after I did the Tarte Man Eater mascara, I then went in with the Last Sensational mascara and the, where'd it go? I used this e.l.f. mascara just on my lower lash line and a bit on my top lash line. But then I did my eyebrows and I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Wiz in dark brown. And I didn't really do anything with my eyebrows. I just kind of shaped them and kind of like filled them in at sparse areas because I do not know how to do my eyebrows, guys. We're gonna go on to my eyeshadow, which I'm using the Morphe 35K palette. I have not used my Morphe palettes in so long, and I have 3 of them. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's just like all natural colors, which is great for nude. I'm going to get this top shade right here to set my eye in place. With my Tarte concealer, I already like primed my eyes, so I'm just setting them now. Then in my crease, I'm going to be using these 2 shades right here on the end, just in my crease, and then kind of like, I don't know, I'll zoom in. It's okay.
Down. Last girl.
I just dropped my brush! I literally just dropped my brush behind my desk, and it's literally gone. Like, I have no idea where it is. So I'm panicking at this moment because I don't have time to like fully charge my camera. So I literally have to go, and it's blinking at me.
We're straight to the top of the cold. We should just chill and maybe take it slow. When we get up there with nowhere to go, and we can chill and just look at the view. Damn, load a yellow rose into a rifle. Me and Harry about to go psycho. Put 100,000 in the Bible. Damn, wait. Go to on like a light bulb. Over all the cutty in a tight go. Damn, about to make a movie independent.
Okay, so I'm done with my eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm not gonna put any shimmer because it's like nude, like, you know, like, no, it doesn't go. I just want to do it matte. Okay, so now I'm going to spray on my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Sorry if my camera and like lighting and everything keeps changing. It's because my camera literally keeps dying, so I have to take it out of my stand and then put it in the charger and then come back. Okay, but anyways, I just sprayed my face with the spray, okay? And now I'm gonna put on my highlight. For the highlight, I'm gonna be using the Tarteist Pro Glow palette. I have not used this palette in so long. I have not used makeup in so long. I've been literally in a funk with makeup that I literally have not like put any makeup on in freaking so long, or even like played with makeup or like done anything. Really want to get back into it and spray it with wet water so the highlight is more pigmented. The shade I'm using is just gonna be Strobe.
You so fucking precious when you smile. Hit it from the back and drive you wild. Had to let you know you're mine. Hands on your body, I don't wanna waste no time. Feels like forever, even if forever's tonight. Just lay with me, waste this night away with me. You're mine.
I'm basically like done. I'm just gonna do my lips now, so I'm just gonna put on some chapstick because I just saw in the beginning I purposely put foundation on my lips so it'd like tone it out a bit because my lips are like really naturally pink tinted. So okay, and now I'm going to put a bit of gloss on. This is the NYC Liquid Lip Shine in the shade 558. Honestly, I have no idea if they still like make this. For the final touch, because my battery is literally running out, I'm going to put on the Marbedescu facial spray to freshen my face up. Okay, and that is the look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed me being really frantic and really just, yeah, sorry, this is like a really rushed video. But I really hope you guys like it. I actually liked the final look, even though I was like really rushing. Let me close that. Make sure to subscribe and like if you liked the video, and definitely comment down more like video requests, either health, lifestyle, makeup. Like, I really don't care. I just want to know what you guys like to watch. And also check out all my social media down below, and of course the Spotify playlist will be down below too.
Baby.
I did not get to everything on it. Oh, I love this song. But yeah, I didn't get to everything. I'm so really sad because I really wanted to listen to Black Panther. I like have the whole soundtrack of Black Panther on this. I went to see Black Panther with my friend and it was so good. Highly recommend. It was really good. But yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go now. Peace out, guys. See you later.